Alright guys, we are standing in front of this Mclaren GT. This is the first one we've actually touched. They're not the most popular cars. They're very small, but actually they're very pretty cars, honestly. It's a good looking car, drives pretty good, drives very similar to like the 570s. This came black, we wrapped it in satin pearl white so it could show off all its little body lines. Came out really nice. One area that my guys wrapped that we didn't end up thinking it looks nice is these A-pillars right here. This car has all black going on and glass and stuff, so this A-pillar wrapped up in white, it just doesn't look right. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this right now because it is a wrap. Just gotta catch an edge. Can't go too fast. If I go fast, it's gonna leave a residue. So kind of do it slowly. Hopefully we get one piece and it doesn't break apart. Boom. That looks way cleaner. We already shot rolling shots of it without it. I mean with it in white, but it looks better like this. So now you got like that top section all black and then you got the bottom white. We're doing a lot of filming today. We finished up a lot of cars and we're back to back filming them. And this McLaren GT, we didn't even wash it to be honest yet. We're gonna take it back to wash it. We just had like a schedule to finish up. After filming all of this, we just realized there's a piece of tape on the headlight. As you can see here, I don't know if any of you caught it on video, because we didn't even catch it until right now, literally, when I was doing a little Instagram video for it. This tape was put on there, obviously, for protection when they were putting the parts back on the car. It's not supposed to be there after, but that's a little bit of a blooper, I guess, right there, but it's a good blooper. All right, we are sitting in the very small, what the hell is it? Mclaren GT. Cool little light up thing over there, but I think the coolest part is this roof, right? It's one piece right here and it has a little touchscreen display. So right now it's in full transparency mode, meaning the sun could come through, and then you could press this button and it gives it a little bit of a tint. You press it again, more tint, even more tint there, and this is a lot of tint. You go from obviously the sun to the moon, meaning dark to lightness. So pretty cool to see that going from that to that.
Sup people, aquí estamos en RDB, rolando la va, tú sabes, para aquí. I want to lose at least 30 pounds. The pinche panza, loco, has to go away, vato. Hey, but I have to lose weight. I don't want to be like Sarkis. Hey, don't tell him Sarkis I said that. He's Shelby, you know. I'm gonna change that piece. It's the bottom, but this one hold it from inside. Ah. Oh, beautiful. Everything for McLaren, kind of expensive. I think the cheaper part for McLaren is the bolts. The little screws, this crack over here, on this corner over here. Everything they sell separate, all pieces they come in separate. Toyotas, you buy a bumper, come with clips, screws.
I came to visit you to see how you're doing.
I'm one of the businessmen.
That's a good job.
You know what I have to do, huh? You have to put the finger. I forgot to put saliva. You remember who's laughing like that?
No. It's a movie character? Actor?
Yeah, it's Lindo Pulgoso.
What? Who's Lindo Pulgoso?
It's like cartoons they show in the mornings, every morning.
Are you okay?
He's riding a motorcycle.
What's the update with this car, Luigi? Almost? You're getting there?
Nah, right now I have to check it's sand on the bottom. I don't know what happened. So I got to remove the tires, remove the fender liners.
Good, okay. Quítate, güey.
Yeah, this one have to go away. How many pounds?
30.
You're not supposed to eat at night, that's the thing. That's what they say. Don't eat at night and just
Man.
eat lunch and that's it.
Buy los pupusas, you know, yesterday I buy some pupusas. And one little kid coming and say, Luis, hey, saludos, vato. I think he wanna see this show. Saludos, vato. Cuídate ahí. Nice kid. He's very happy to see me.
Ay, 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 go crazy. Ay, 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 yeah, go crazy.
This one looks better than Vic's car.
Sarkis, put some RDB plates on. You said back or front? The fronts don't have plates.
Maybe you want it.
Where are you gonna put it? Let's go see where he's gonna put the front plate. Where do you put the plate? Okay, so you need one, right? Okay, we'll go.
I pick twice a day, my type of 2 a day. Woke up with no plans, what I'ma do today. These are not the same, I got no shoes today. My baby missed me, wishing it was 2 of me. And I'm like, if I'm not doing what's the real deal. I've been up and down Pharaoh. Friend, bro, you did a real kill. Off the liquor and some pill pills. I've been at it since a church. Work. Tell little baby, make it twerk.
All right, guys, we are standing in front of this beautiful Lamborghini Urus. This is a 2021, and it comes in this beautiful lime green color now. Really bright, really suits the Urus really well. I'm a little bit jealous of its colorway. We ordered a 1016 Industries carbon fiber front lip spoiler. That's the only aftermarket body accessory that we installed on the vehicle. Other than that, it features RDB wheels, 24-inch. These wheels are pretty much identical to ones on my car, except mine have a bigger lip on the front and back because it is the wide body. But other than that, it's pretty much the same wheel. Polished lip with a brushed silver center. Most people will do black, but he could always go to black later. It's harder to have this finish first. So we went into that. We also lowered the vehicle. You guys already know we are stance experts. Whatever car it is, especially yours, we have it stanced up properly. Other than that, it's a full bone stock vehicle. It did have the 23-inch factory wheels, which look nice, but these obviously look even better, and especially with the lowering and his front lip. He also has an interior that's really nice with the factory carbon fiber. Happy with it. Hopefully we'll be doing some more mods to it, but for now, that's it.
I haven't seen you in a long time.
No, I've seen you last week.
Last week?
Last week.
You haven't been here. Yeah, you've been here last week. Why do you have 2 masks? Oh my gosh. Make sure it's not
2 masks, yeah, because I meet a lot of custom. Oh shit.
Yeah, you need another mask now. This is one of the older ones we had, the Laker edition.
I show too.
Yeah.
I shoot all the customers.
Do you ever wash this thing? It's terrible.
I wash it.
Yeah?
See? Give me one more then.
All right. See you later.
Okay,
See you. Thank you.
Good.
Bye.
Have a nice day. Oh, it's heavy.
The other way, pull it. You're gonna pull, it's easier than push.
Yeah, I'll pull.
So you push, you pull. Go.
1, 2.
Almost. You got it. One more time. You got it.
Shit, hey. We have a team, vato.
Look at that.
Hey. That thing was heavy, though, strong. But you can see right there, we have a team with big. Together we can do anything. Big.
It's not big.
He's not a lighter, bro. It's big.
Big.
Oh my god.
Vato. No, pero we fixed the post. Him and me. I don't say the name because
Because
big
you're
is...
gonna say big. He's not a lighter.
Hey! God!
Where'd you get
That's
dog
a
poop from?
poo-poo! You see where it's throwing? Let me show you. Ah! Nah, it's nothing.
Ay, go crazy. Yeah, go crazy. Got picked twice a day, my type of 2 a day. Woke up with no plans, what I'ma